Hi guys! We're in Cheesecake right now. We're going to eat lunch here. And then, it's for advancement Thursday. So after eating, we're going to roam around. Hi guys! We're done eating. And we're going to roam around. Maybe go check out some clothes if naka-sale. How was your eating?
Hindi ko natapos na pala.
Ayaw nga pala, hindi namin naubos. So, nag-take out kami. Tapos, tinake out din namin yung tinapay.
So, gusto ng tinapay.
Anyways, ikot lang kami guys.
Masarap yung white bread.
Guys, we're in Mac. Kasi gusto ko makita itong claw machine. Itong claw machine. Kasi napalanunan ko siya dati. Ngayon, ang instructions ay purchase 3 products in store. Dati kasi, like, sabi, kahit purchase 1 purchase 1 product, pwede ka na maglaro. Ngayon, 3 products na dapat. Gusto ko lang naman makita kung nandito pa rin yung claw machine.
Decathlon na tayo?
Yes, magde-decathlon na kami. Titingin kami ng mga badminton rackets. Nasa Zara kami ngayon kasi gusto ko ipakita sa kanya. I mean, ipamoy sa kanya yung parang dupe ng Miss Dior na blooming bouquet. Dito sa Zara meron. Nag-ano kami kanina, nag-Sephora. Tapos pinamoy ko din sa kanya yung gustong perfume ni Ashton. Ano yun? Jean Paul Chubanes. Pero sabi ng staff doon is like parang pang-adult na yung perfume na yon. So, yes. So, sinuggest niya yung YSL nga. Which is mas mura, 400 something. Tapos, pwede mo pang ipa-refill yung perfume doon sa kanila ulit. So, mas worth it yung 400. So, ito oh. Nude bouquet. Bouquet yung dupe ng may ba? Dupe ng tag doon? Dior. Yeah. Dalawa yung size niya. Yung malaki is 100. Oh, tapos yung maliit is 59.
Bukuhan pa si Zara?
Tapos, masarap. Maganda din tong marshmallow addiction. Tamis-tamis. Ngayon, hindi pa namin naaamoy kasi medyo matapang pa yung spin ray ko sa kanya. Ito kasi, maano na, parang faded na. Yung gusto niya upuan.
What? It's like
Guys, is a dress, is the floral dress in the J's. And he's for Vans and H&M top. Guys pala, parang may promotion dun sa sinasabi niya. Pag daw bumili kami ng perfume, may bibigay siyang libreng foundation na maliit tsaka primer. And lang, today lang siya. Kasi daw, parang Eid.
I don't know. I didn't listen.
Pero hanggang today lang daw kasi
promotion. Promotion is promotion.
Hindi sure kung meron pa, kung magtatagal. That's all guys. So siguro tambay muna kami dito hanggang hanggang maubos oras namin. Kasi mamayang 3 pa naman kami aalis. Pa lang 1 PM pa lang. So I forgot to vlog. We went eat sa Yogurtland and then gumala kami sa H&M and there was Nick in the H&M and I did his makeup.
No, she did not.
I did his
No. I have no makeup on.
Yeah. And then like we just thought na he wants to color my nails. So we looked at the nail polishes sa H&M and it was expensive. It was like 39. Why is your face like that? So bumaba na lang kami ng Daiso. Bumili kami ng tag 10 na nail polish for my nails. So it's already 3 PM. And uuwi na kami. Kasi we're just really here for cheesecake and gala. And then that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. Bye!